And legislation outlawing nearly all abortions in Idaho by banning them once a fetal heartbeat can be detected headed to Governor Brad Little's desk yesterday. The Republican-dominated Senate voted 25-7 to approve the measure that makes providing an abortion to a woman whose embryo has detectable cardiac activity punishable by up to 5 years in prison. It would also allow the woman who receives the abortion to sue the provider. Fetal cardiac activity can be detected as early as 6 weeks, and the bill has exceptions for rape, incest, or medical emergency.